crank out here. Just crank out here. Alright, cool. Yep.
Can I pick it up?
No,
No. Not yet.
And take the slack out of the stake or the garment table.
So what are we going to be lifting?
This right here. All right. How are all y'all doing today?
Good.
Good. Excellent. So, welcome down to the ships. My name's Theodore. This is Keith over here. We're gonna run you through a little bit of what it's gonna be like to load cargo onto a cargo ship back 400 years ago. Now, these are everything on ships. This is, or in the economy in general, this is how you're getting all of your goods from one place to another. Discovery here is our recreation of the smallest of 3 ships, designed for about 20 tons worth of cargo. Now, 20 tons, not that much. Even when you take into account, that's going by volume. So it's about 252 gallon casks that you can fit down there in the bottom part of that ship. Now, if I have a young volunteer real quick.
Allie, wanna go?
Somebody over here. You, awesome. Try and lift that up.
Oh my gosh, she did it.
Yeah, above your head. Okay, so
Good job, Allie.
now you gotta do that
It's okay.
a few thousand more times.
Good job.
So
Oh.
if I have anybody point out something that can make our life a lot easier.
Winch.
Anything. What's this? Pulleys, ropes, lines. Yes, excellent. So, on the ships, y'all start passing this around amongst each other. On the ships, those are blocks, those are pulleys, those are adding more mechanical advantage. The name of the game on ships is mechanical advantage. How you can make things go faster and how you can make things go a lot easier. There's nothing more lazy in the world than a sailor. So, if we can start this thing, we're gonna essentially use these 2 pulleys we have above my head in tandem to turn the ship essentially into a giant crane. So, if I have a couple of people, or if you can grab your volunteers for the arm tackle and the garnet tackle, which are these 2 hooks that connect to this bale rope right here, right now. And if I can grab a couple of more volunteers, because we gotta have people on what's known as the tail. Because this, if we just lift that up, it's gonna essentially start swinging. So we need people to hold it steady. So, any volunteers, any takers? Oh my gosh, thank you so much for volunteering. Who are you pointing to?
Allie.
Okay.
I want to do it.
Go ahead, Allie.
Awesome, there we go.
You can help, Peanut.
Alrighty. Come on, Elf, come on.
Alright.
Onto the line.
Go ahead, Allie. Hold the
Essentially,
line.
what we're doing all together is we're going to be working with one another to try and essentially keep this, make it easy for them still. You're just kind of guiding it more than anything. Now, really basic rope safety. Do not wrap your hand around the line. Do not let the line slip through your hand. Do not step on the line, or if you have any coils on the deck, don't step in the coils unless you want to go flying into the rigging like Tom and Jerry, which is not as fun in real life, believe it or not. When we say haul away, we'll give a command. Haul away, and that'll be hauling onto the line. You're gonna go hand over hand. When easing away, you're going hand under hand, kind of pushing the line out, thus so. Avast, you'll hear a big fancy word. Avast is freeze. Stay where you are at. You're gonna essentially just stop. If we want you to let go, there's a very, very simple command for that. It's called let go. So, the final one is my favorite. It is your standby. So, when I am asking you if you're ready on your line, I'll ask if y'all are ready on the tag line. So, your proper response will be, if I ask you, ready on the tag line.
Ready on the tag line, aye.
You shout it out with much vigor.
All right.
Are you
I
gonna
want to
do
take somebody
are you
to do
gonna
that.
Just with them. I figured since you were given the instruction, I'd let you take care of it.
Oh, I can do it back to them too. Yeah. Great. So, really, really quick rope safety. Coils on the deck, don't step in them. Lines on the deck, don't step on them. Line's in your hand. Don't step up. Okay. So you're gonna don't wrap your hand around the line. Don't let it slip your hand. When I say all the way, you're gonna haul onto your line. When I say ease away, you're easing away on the line. You're gonna hand under the line. Easing away.
Okay.
Don't let the line slip through your hand. Just don't do anything that'll cause bodily harm. That's very important. Freeze. Stay where you are. Hold it. Don't let go. There's a very simple command for that. Let go. And my personal favorite is essentially your standby command. So when I am going to ask you if you're ready or in line, it's just to make sure that you can hear me and that I know that you are ready. So for y'all are on the arm tackle. So I'll say ready on the arm tackle, and you'll reply ready on the arm tackle eye. All right. And same with y'all, but y'all are on the garnet tackle. Alrighty.
Which one is this one?
That is the tagline.
Tagline.
Alright.
Aye.
So, we're all ready to see things get lifted through the air and hopefully not swing into anybody. We'll wait for them to take off their lines, take them off, and y'all try your best not to fight them, because those are, it is about a 60 to 70 pound bale rope. A, it swings, and that's not fun for anyone, and B, it's still going to be heavy any way you pull. So, just guidance. So making sure it doesn't hit anybody, really. Alrighty, so as my crewmate is working on getting them all situated, line.
Ready on the tagline.
Aye, wonderful. Ready on the arm tackle.
Ready on the arm tackle.
Ready on the garnet tackle. Wonderful. Alrighty, garnet tackle or arm tackle, take up. Start taking up, haul away. You're gonna start hauling away. Take up on garnet tackle, start taking up. Alrighty, and y'all can start guiding it forward, so start letting it go forward. Easing away. Alrighty. Hands on it. There you go, garnet tackle. Start taking up a lot. If y'all come this way. There you go. Perfect, perfect. Alrighty, that's well on the arms. Tackle, garnet tackle, keep taking up. Alrighty. Yep, so just hold on to it and keep it there. Alright, ease away on the arm tackle. So start putting hand over hand. Or hand under hand, sorry. Pushing in, pushing away. So you're all gonna start easing away. Y'all are still easing. Awesome, so y'all are slack. On the garnet tackle, so ease away on the garnet tackle now. Start easing away. Alrighty. So now I'm going to kind of cheat a little bit because the garnet tackle is twisted. I'm going to pull this way. There we go. So take up on the garnet tackle now. Take up on the garnet tackle. I'm throwing you all around. Because what we're trying to do now is stretch out the arm tackle. All good. Awesome. Now lower away on the garnet tackle. There we go.
Mama, I need something.
Yep, y'all are still easing.
I want something to eat, Mama.
Okay.
I only got to do that a couple thousand more times.